5 Air Jordan 1s that won't go up in 2022. A quick disclaimer, this is just my opinion. I could be completely wrong, but these are 5 Air Jordan 1s that I personally feel will not go up in price in 2022. Let's do it. At number 5, we have a pair of Air Jordan 1s I already sold, the Brotherhood Air Jordan 1. The University Gold and this light Bordeaux color are just not that wearable of a color combination. If this was more of a Lakers theme, I think they'd be a lot more wearable, but this Bordeaux kind of throws it off with the University Gold. I just don't see people really wearing these like that, and for that reason, I don't see them really going up in price. I don't see the hype being there long term. This is more of a quick flip and move on to the next release. I feel like prices right now are gonna stay stagnant at around $190, $180, $190. They're under $200. It's not that great of a Jordan 1 colorway, not that wearable. Quality, however, is nice. The leather is soft, but I just don't see people really wearing these like that. The hype came and went when it came this pair of Air Jordan 1s. This was a quick flip in my opinion. I just don't see them going up in price in this year. At number 4, we have another good quality pair of Air Jordan 1s, but these are reselling for under retail. The market came, went, and died, crashed hard on the Light Fusion Red Air Jordan 1. These are not gonna go up in price here in 2022. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Danny, they have a white toe box, a white midsection. That's a good sign. Yes, but the colorway is just not it. These are trash in my opinion. The Light Fusion Red is more of a pink almost to go with this yellow, this bright yellow. I just don't like this color combination at all. I don't think these are wearable. They're very hard to match and just not a great looking Air Jordan 1. The best part about this sneaker, in my opinion, has got to be that Nike Air on the tongue, as well as the leather quality. Like I said, very soft to the touch when it comes to the leather quality on an ugly Air Jordan 1. I don't know why Jordan Brand's been doing that. They've been giving us just trash Air Jordan 1 colorways like this, but really good quality in my opinion. I like tumbled leather. I think it looks good on Jordan 1, so I think these are very soft to the touch. Just not a good looking shoe, and I don't see them going up in price. When market right now, guys, is at like $150. Retail was $170. You can get them for under retail. I don't see them really going up in price at all. If they do, it'd go back up to retail, but I don't think they're really worth holding, worth investing into. This would be a personal cop. Only if you like them, if you're gonna wear them. Other than that, pass on them. They do have the black outsole. Does not match the upper, which hurts it as well. This is just not a good looking pair of Jordan 1s. Free Panda Dunk giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Panda Dunk lows. At number 3, we have a pair of Air Jordan 1s that I think is a perfect fall colorway. Resale is around $180, $190. You can get them for about retail. The Air Jordan 1 Crafted. The Air Jordan 1 Crafted is actually a Jordan 1 that I personally like. It's one of the ones on this list that I actually like. I would wear these. I don't think a lot of people cared for this release. There wasn't a lot of hype on release day. Sure, they sold out, but there was not a lot of resale ever on this pair of Air Jordan 1s. I don't think people cared for this sneaker because of the colors all mixed together like this. When it's more solid, if this was all brown, it would be a lot hyped, a lot better. If these were more of the green, it'd be a lot better. But the fact that it's just a mix-up of colors, I think it throws a lot of people off. You do have Nike Air on the tongue, a bright Nike Air on the tongue, and a quilted sock liner, which is a nice touch. But these have no hype really at all. I don't see them ever really skyrocketing, and I don't see them going up here in 2022. Once again, another personal cop only. This is a really good fall sneaker in my opinion. These are clean, black bottom. That Wings logo, I think, is also what throws it off. The fact that it's kind of crafted on there just throws it off. The handcrafted theme just kind of throws it off for some people. I don't think the hype was ever there. It's gonna be there. I don't see them going up in 2022. At number 2, we have an Air Jordan 1 that some of you might think will go up in price this year. I don't think so. I do think they will eventually go up to like $280, $300 potentially, but not this year. I think it's gonna take too long for these to go up in price, and it's not gonna be this year. The Bordeaux Air Jordan 1. This is once again another Air Jordan 1 that I like. I think the colorway is clean, white toe box, white midsection, one solid color throughout, except for the swoosh. I think the swoosh is what throws a lot of people off. The Midnight Navy Air Jordan 1 is a Jordan 1 people like to compare these two because of the color blocking, silver swoosh, very similar. The reason why I don't want to compare them is because the Midnight Navy is an older release Jordan 1 that they re-retroed. It's a clean Air Jordan 1, but I just don't see them going up here in 2022. 2023, yes, potentially to 280, like I said, but I don't think they're worth holding this year. You could wait on this one. I just don't see them going up here in 2022. Once again, another fall sneaker in my opinion. Nice tumbled leather on these. It's a good Air Jordan 1. Resell's going for around 180, 190. You can get them for about retail. I don't see them going up this year, potentially next year. I'd wear the Bordeaux Air Jordan 1s, not with these Bordeaux laces. I'd go with the white laces. And for the bottom, of course, I gotta protect that bottom with Drip Grip sole protectors. The best sole protectors on the market. No slippage, no tearage, awesome, very good sole protectors, very easy to apply with the heat gun. You guys can click the link down below in the description, check out Drip Grip, and make sure you guys use my discount code DANNY10 to save 10% off your order from dripgrip.com. I saved my favorite sneaker on this list for last. At number 1, this sneaker, I am shocked at the resale price. It's under $300 in every size, and in my opinion, I don't think they're going to go up this year. I think this is going to be a long-term hold, potential to go up, more of a collector's piece right now, potentially down the line, years to come, they could go up because of the theme of this Air Jordan 1, the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1. That's right, guys. I don't think they're going to go up this year. Potentially, they could at the end of the year. I could be wrong, but I definitely think it'll take a long time for these to actually go up and be worth it. But they're still a very clean Air Jordan 1. This is the Rebellionaire with that beautiful X on the back. The X on the back stands out, it makes it pop. The hype for these, the release for this was very, very crazy because there was a lot of backdooring going on. A lot of your main stores didn't even get these. No Nike sneakers app drop, and stores that did wind up getting them actually wound up getting a good amount of stock, which led to, once again, a lot of backdooring, a lot of first come, first serve. But this was a very dope Air Jordan 1 release, in my opinion, this year. I love these. These are definitely going straight to feet. Once again, I will be applying Drip Grip sole protectors to the bottom. I love the packaging. I love the story, the whole band theme behind this Air Jordan 1. These are so hard, in my opinion. Easy to wear because of the black and gray, the shadow theme, but they do have the words and scriptures all over them. Resells anywhere from like $230 to $300 depending on size. I think they're clean, but I don't think this is the year that these are going to go up in price. These are still fire, straight fire, and I love the X on the back. I love the theme of the Rebellionaire Air Jordan 1. These are just straight fire, but I don't think they're going up here in 2022. Smash that subscribe button if you love free sneaker giveaways. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.